Midnight? What are you doing, boy? Huh? Your face so dirty. Oh, boy? Huh? Midnight? Who wants mangoes? God, there's a lot this year. Several of these trees load and pulling themselves to the ground. Wall update. I pretty much got this finished yesterday. Yesterday was a holiday, Max-Side Day. The president. So I didn't have much of a work crew, just two guys. Finished smooth coating out the wall and the well, the balloon. I'll make me a new lid for that out of fiberglass. Give me a kit. Make me a fiberglass lid. I keep doing wood lids, and no matter how I paint them, protect them, they still come apart. Fiberglass will be the answer. So underneath the mango trees, it's really hard to get grass to grow. So I'm just going to landscape this and put some nice, beautiful gravel here. It's the back of the house. No changes on the carport. I get the crew back in it today. Okay. Happy Wednesday, everyone. More again later. Bye-bye.